Iwasan na natin ang paghahanap ng kaligayahan na sa kahuli-hulihan ay nauuwi sa kawalang saysay. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. Sometimes, we feel a deep hunger or thirst in our hearts that we cannot explain. We try to fill this emptiness by spending too much time on our phones, buying things we don't need, or looking for people to tell us we are good enough. The woman at the well kept coming back for water that didn't truly satisfy her. We often hide our true selves because we are afraid of what others will think. But Jesus sees everything about us, even the parts we are ashamed of, and He still offers us His love. This love is like living water that finally makes us feel at peace and whole. Kaya manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, tulungan mo akong madiskubre ang aking sarili at halaga ay nasa iyong piling. Amen.